Dulwich 525, how can I help you? Ah, Helen, great to speak to you. So, what are you up to? How can I help you? Yeah, you want to have a dinner party with some of our friends. Okay, that sounds great. Who were you thinking of inviting? Mark and Sarah, yeah, my favourite friends. Julian and Julia. You mean Julian, the guy who had the incident with the cat? Are you sure? Okay, well, Julian, up to you. And what sort of day were you thinking of? Wednesday. Now, Wednesday, you know I always train on Wednesday. I have to train the club. Thursdays, that's my big game up at Crystal Palace, I'm afraid. So what about Friday? Friday, you're going to do your hair. Okay? That kind of leaves us with Saturday. So what time on Saturday? 7:45 for 8. That sounds great. Do you want me to get some food in? I could get some pizza or bang in some mash or maybe a nice bit of steak. Pizza. Okay. I'll get Chablis with that. You can't go wrong with pizza and Chablis, really, can you? So great. I'll see you later on then. Bye. Love you too. Yep. Love you. Bye.